In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Lucidchart in PowerPoint. This feature is incredibly useful for those looking to integrate their visually appealing flowcharts and diagrams directly into their presentations, enhancing the content's visual impact and clarity. First, let's begin by navigating to Lucidchart's website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in lucid.io. Once the page loads, look towards the top right corner where you'll see an option labeled Log In. Click on it to proceed. If you don't have an account yet, you'll be prompted to create one. But for existing users, the next step is pretty straightforward. Now, for those of you who prefer using Google accounts for convenience and security, there is an option to sign up or log in with Google. This can save some time and effort, especially if you already have your Google account connected to other applications for streamlined workflows. Once you're successfully logged into Lucidchart, it's time to locate and open the document you would like to embed into PowerPoint. Look for the Open button on your screen, which typically allows you to access your existing documents in Lucidchart. Select the document you wish to work with. With your document open, find the File menu at the top. We're going to make use of a particular feature within this section, as we'll be exporting the document in a format that's suitable for Microsoft PowerPoint. Click on the File menu to reveal various options. Next, you'll see options for different Microsoft Office applications. For embedding into PowerPoint, look for Microsoft PowerPoint among your options and select it. This ensures that your Lucidchart document is exported in a format compatible with PowerPoint. Once you've done that, there is a step to install the document for Microsoft PowerPoint. This allows a seamless integration with the application, making it easy for you to include your visually engaging Lucidchart document in your presentation slides. You'll then be introduced to the Marketplace space in Lucidchart. Here, access Manage Connections. This is where you get to manage and establish new connections with different applications. Click it, and then choose the option to Connect to Lucidchart. This officially establishes a link between your Lucidchart account and Microsoft PowerPoint, ensuring that the integration functions smoothly. If at any point you would like an alternative method, Lucidchart provides a slightly different approach. You can export your document as a PDF image, which can then be manually included in your PowerPoint presentation. This can serve as a handy workaround if you encounter any issues with direct embedding. I hope these steps have been clear and helpful in guiding you through the process of embedding Lucidchart documents into PowerPoint. This integration is sure to enhance your presentations by bringing in more clarity and professionalism, making your presentations stand out.